Moika's Crafts. Today is videos about a hairstyle tutorial. Here's the preview. So these are the materials required: any kind of comb, 2 rubber bands, and if required, few clips. So let's see how to make this hairstyle. So the next step is to divide the hair into 2 parts. So put one of the parts into a loose rubber band so that it doesn't get mixed with this side. Now on the side that we're working right now, take the front part of the hair and divide it into 3 parts. Now start braiding the hair. And direct it downwards. So I have braided the hair this long. Now we're going to take the rest of the hair, gather everything together and comb the hair properly. Comb it even on the bottom side to make it look proper. Now take a rubber band and join all the hair together and tie the rubber band. It should look like this. And make sure it's tight. Like this. Now if you feel like there are any bumps on this area, then you can put a clip, but I think mine is fine. Then we're going to remove the braid that is left out over here, make it proper and comb through the hair. Now this is how one of your sides should look after you're done. Now repeat the same process on the second side. So I finished the second side as well, and this is the final look. So this is one way to wear the hairstyle. Now I'm going to show the second way. So the second way is that you can divide one of the pony into 3 sections. You're gonna start braiding the hair. I'm gonna stop it here. I'm not gonna do it all the way down. Then I'm gonna put a rubber band on it. Now you can make the braid a little loose to give it a thicker look. Like this. Now you can repeat the same process on the second side. This is the second way that you can wear the hairstyle in, but I prefer the normal ponytails. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to this video. I'll see you in another tutorial. Bye.